Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the After Effects Masterclass. It is a pleasure to finally be able to teach you guys After Effects. It's amazing to be able to follow you guys up after Premiere Pro's Masterclass with an After Effects Masterclass. So in this quick recording, I'm going to introduce you guys to this brand new Masterclass that we've got for you guys. Number two, I'm going to quickly explain why After Effects is so important and why we should really care about being good at this specific editing program, not Premiere Pro. Number three, I'm going to break down how exactly these courses are going to help teach you this program and the exact structure we relied on to teach you guys this complex editing program. And number four, we're going to quickly cover what you guys are going to be learning inside of this masterclass. So this being said, welcome to what I think is the most important masterclass inside of Ultimate Editors. You might be wondering, why is After Effects even this important? After Effects is so important because our job as video editors, if you guys remember when I explained this in Premiere Pro, our job as video editors is to take content that is boring and make it look good. And one of the biggest things that makes content look good is animations and visuals. That's like the majority of content. Sure, you can be amazing at sound design. Sure, you could do amazing cuts. Sure, you could have amazing titles. But at the end of the day, that's not really what your clients are going to be looking for. What your clients want are, number one, those advanced editing styles that everyone looks for. And number two, they want someone who knows how to take their content and make it so high quality. And based on the 2025 standard, the best way to make your content look high quality is to create very high quality animations and very in-depth visuals that just blow the viewer's mind. And the only way to do this is to do it through After Effects. After Effects exceeds at two things amazingly. Number one, it exceeds at animating very well. It allows you guys to control so much about the animating, which you will be learning inside of this masterclass. And number two, it has so many effects, meaning it gives you guys so many visuals which you can create, from backgrounds to shapes to UIs to building out 3D scenes. There are so many visuals we can create, and we're going to learn all of it inside of this masterclass. So this being said, now that you guys understand why After Effects is important, how exactly are we going to go about teaching it to you guys? Well, we've broken this masterclass down into 5 different sections. Number one, we're going to be breaking down the bare bone basics. We're going to dive into After Effects. We're just going to learn the basics. We're going to talk about the fundamentals, talk about how the program works, and just learn the absolute basics of After Effects. Number two, we're going to start diving into animations. Inside of animations, we're just going to dive into After Effects and learn everything that has to do with keyframing and the graph. How do we make smooth animations? What's the value graph? How do we make those animations that are seamless, smooth, minimal, right? How do we go about different styles of animating? We're going to be diving into animating inside of After Effects. Number three, we're going to take a look at the advanced effects overview. We're basically going to break down to you guys like 10 or 15 different effects, which you guys are constantly going to be using when editing videos for clients. And we have a huge list, and we're going to break it down in a system that's going to help you guys remember exactly which effects you're going to need, and we're going to use them to create backgrounds and shapes and UIs and stuff like that. Number four, we're going to take a moment, just a pause, to basically practice everything we know. So everything that we've learned from the beginning all the way up to the effects, we're just going to take 3 quick sessions, practice it all, use it to create backgrounds, animations, and use it to create 3 high quality animations. And finally, number 5, we're going to dive into the 3D masterclass. And in 3D, we're going to discuss everything from the fundamentals to creating your 3D scene setup to creating your first 3D animation inside of After Effects. So this being said, after all of that, we're going to wrap it all up with a final test to make sure that you guys learned exactly what you need from this masterclass. And honestly, there's just so much packed in here. This is what I believe the best course. I believe this to be the best course inside of Ultimate Editors for sure. So I'm super excited to see what you guys are going to be doing inside of this. And if you are wondering what exactly you're going to learn and be able to do inside of this masterclass, let me quickly excite you guys. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you're going to learn, how to edit, and what you're going to know, what you guys are going to know how to edit by the end of this masterclass. Check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final actionable step for After Effects. First, there are 3 kinds of boxes on the screen right now. Then, here's a 3D cube that rotates in a 3D environment. And finally, check out how cool this brain looks over here. And that's it for After Effects. So this being said, guys, that is pretty much everything for this. I am super excited to be able to teach you guys After Effects. Make sure you focus because there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Keep track of everything. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you go with the actionable steps, post them in the community so I can review them for you. Keep us up to date with your course progress so we can help you out. And that being said, guys, I wish you the best. Good luck.